How to stream your computer screen using OBS Studio. Hi everyone, I'm Guilherme from JMV Technology, and today I'll show you how to stream your computer screen using OBS Studio. These days, when we need to do a live stream, we often need to show our computer screen at some point. A common scenario is conducting live classes or mentoring sessions. For this process, we recommend using OBS Studio. Remember, we have tutorials on our channel about how to do a live broadcast with OBS Studio. We'll leave the link in the description and in the card for this video. With OBS Studio open, go to the Scenes option and click the plus icon to create a new scene. You can also add this function to an existing scene if you prefer. In the scene we created, let's go to the Sources option. Here, click the plus icon and select Display Capture. In this option, you can choose which monitor to capture if you have multiple screens connected to your computer. You can also choose to capture the mouse cursor. Then click OK. Adjust the screen to fit the broadcast and you're set. To add a camera capture, click the plus icon under Sources. Here you can select your camera. Then resize the camera feed as needed. We have a course on recording online classes you might like. The link is in the description. Scan this QR code to learn about our live social plans. That's all. Hope this helped. Like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.